What's good, Mogul Man? I'm back with another banging banger. I hope in rights by Facebook and hope in Grandy. New week, new thoughts. So into eyenzakalile ukuthi on our previous video siye sathola i-comment from uLuco Kid. Shout out to Luco Kid for stepping in for ama-beginners ukuthi-ke they were requesting indaba ye-market structure. So namhlanje I decided to do le request ukuze abantu ba-understand ukuthi kahle kahle yini i-market structure. Uma ungena nje kwi-charts, like uma ubheka i-charts nje iziphi izinto ozibhekayo, yabo, ukuze ukwazi ukuthi u-analyze, because a lot of people banaleyo mentality ukuthi hey, uma ufika kwi-markets you need to know how to analyze, yabo. But ungakhriki ikhanda kakhulu, it's a very simple format. A very simple format. So okokuqala nje into engingayisho ukuthi i-market, sorry for that, i-market structure iyazisho lento, i-structure esuke esifonywe i-market, meaning ukuthi indlela emangayo, indlela esuke i-formulator ngakhona, indlela ama-candlesticks emuva ngakhona. Ama-candlesticks are those small othi ngibhalela khona nizoyibona. Ama-candlesticks are those red dots la wena wabonayo la njengoba ehla. Those are called candlesticks. Asuke ekutshengisa kahle kahle ukuthi i-direction ye-market iya ngakiphi. Mayi-red suke ichaza ukuthi it's going down. Mayi-green it's telling you ukuthi it's going up. So ngidecide ukuvula i-currency pair ye-NZD USD. So number one, first thing that you need to know is a price action. A price action, it's actually saying, or it means ukuthi imali endlela emuva ngayo with regards to ukuthi it's going up or it's going down. So kahle kahle indlela esuke imarket isuke inyakaza ngakhona, ake ngisho kanjalo, esuke inyakaza ngakhona ukuthi iyanyuka noma iyehle, price action leyo. That's the first thing. Secondly, i-trend. I-trend-ke indlela esuka, kushuthi kwi-trend kuney'ndawo kunezinto eziwu-two that you need to consider. Eyokuqala, i-uptrend. Sengitshengisa. Okokuqala, i-uptrend. I-uptrend iloku ukunyuka lokhu. Njengoba ubona ukuthi it's actually scaling up from this point right here towards that point right here. So that is called an uptrend. Then mase kuwukuba i-downtrend. Downtrend is this going down like this. Yabo. Ukusuka kuleya point le kade ngigcine kuyona and then it's going down. That's a downtrend. So mayibizwa nge-trend kusuke kuchaza ukuthi it's a repetitive of the same thing, whether it's going down or whether it's going up. So I hope niya-understand-ke lapho. Then mase sizoba nalento ekuthiwa i-consolidation. Consolidation basically kusuke kuchaza ukuthi isuke imuva endaweni eyodwa, njengokubona leli point lela, njengokubona la ukuthi libe limove ithi move nje endaweni eyodwa. It's not actually going up or it's not actually going down. It's just nje going endaweni eyodwa. So it's consolidating. It's actually moving within the boundaries or within leyo ma price action esuke iwabekile iyona. So I hope leyo part futhi ayingejanga. So and then after that mase sizoba nani, sizoba ne-support ne-resistance. So sorry for that, Asizoba nani ne-support ne-resistant. I-support-ke the reason why ngenza u-15 minutes bengenzela ukuthi kuze kube lula yabo, because ama-hour they are just big, so izokwenza ukuthi mhlawumpe abanye abantu bay'tshela ukuthi fanele uhlezi ufake i-hour. No, ama-time frame ngawashintsha noma inini, ayishintshi i-markets ngenxa yokuthi wena ushintshe i-time frame. Phela into eyenzayo ukuthi mawuya ku-day, i-time frame yaku-day ubone mhlampe lawo ma-point from i-support and resistance, even if you can go to i-1 minute time frame, lawo ma-point lawo awazoshintsha, kuphela izokunika more of i-view, azokunika more of i-view ukuthi ubonisise like on a smaller scale ukuthi okay kahle kahle yenzani laphaya ku-1 minute, cause ku-day i-mover like slowly. I-candlestick iyodwa ngo-day ungathola ukuthi within it kuleyo candlestick kusuke kukhona u-4 hour no-2 hour no-1 hour no-30 minutes, so there's a lot kuleyo candlestick iyodwa ya-day. Njengoba othi ngikwenzele umzekelo khona uzoyibona. So nangu day 1, as you can see yabo, uday lo, meaning i-candlestick iyodwa isuke ithatha usuku lonke iyodwa, usuku lonke yabo. So at this instance la mawubona uyabona ukuthi i-candlestick le yodwa it was going down, njengoba ubona la it was going down. So le candlestick ibiyehla nje whole day namhlanje, so wena automatically it should give you an identity, or it should give you a thought ekutheni ukuthi okay shuthi ama-trades engizobe ngiwathatha o-sell bodwa, because it doesn't make sense ukuthi ithi candlestick mina I'm going down wena ufunana no-buy like it doesn't make sense. So kudinga ukuthi uthathe o-sell board, okwakho nje ukubheka ukuthi okay kephi la ngangena khona ukuze ngikwazi ukwenzani ukuthatha u-sell. I hope leyo part leyo uyayi-understand. Then-ke siya kubani u-support and resistance. Support and resistance is very simple nakhona. Into eyenzakalayo ukuthi, let me take this one. Yabo la, this is resistance. Phinde futhi la, let me scale. This is a support. How do you find out ukuthi okay manje ngine support ne resistance? The moment ubona i-candlestick lijika, for instance this time yabo la lifike lajika la phezulu okokuqala ladilika lashona ezansi, laphinde lajika la futhi kwi-support, angithi lijike lapha kuqala kwi-resistance laphinde lajika la kwi-support, laphinde futhi lanyuka laphinde lazojika on the same level naleli. So already in your mind usuyazi ukuthi okay shuthi ngamamazi la kune-resistance alikwazi ukudlula, so usune-idea ukuthi okay it might go down. So wena obviously la usuyazi ukuthi hayi ngibheka osele la, unless mali backtest yabo, mali backtest-ke it's a different story, or yabo yes it's a different story. Then lehla-ke la lenza the same thing futhi nala laphinde lenzani, laphinde la support yabo, la support. So usuyabona ukuthi oh njengoba kunabo line u-1 oqala, nangu line oqala, nangu oqala, nangu wesibili, hhayi shuthi i-resistance. Then you put a line exactly like this, you put a line la, put a line lapho uyazi ukuthi I am sorted yabo. Nala futhi the same thing, phinde lashala, laphinde futhi lashala nakhona sewuphuthe line. Usuyazi-ke manje ukuthi okay, imakethe imuva la within, imuva la. So mina sengibheka ukuthi how can I capitalize from this movement kwi-market. So you have to be patient-ke uma ukuthi uzoyenza i-technical, but uma wenza nje i-fundamental, i-fundamentally right, ayinankinga. You don't have to analyze a lot, but if you do it technically, you do need to analyze. So angifunanga ukuthi ke ngenze too much with regards to indaba ye-market structure, but more as loko nje i-market uzoyazi. More as loko nje ayikho into e-beyond than that. Ungalibele uyigrekhisa ekhanda, ulibele unikezwa abantu abaningi ngike ngibone ukuthi banikezwa lamaloni amaningi nje. Ziningi izinto abantu abafundiswa zona. Kunikezwa izinto eziningi nje, kuthiwa no eda lamalona, lezi zinto ezi-edwayo. Ubone ukuthi kudlalwa ngomqondo womuntu-ke manje la. Kudlalwa ngomqondo womuntu. Nganako abantu befuna ulwazi, so they grab anything, yabo. Nami I had that same mentality ukuthi oh manje ngeke yonke into, yabo. No, kwi-market nje one thing that you need to know, thola one strategy and focus on that, and then you will win. So guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi nithatha isikhathi sokuthi nilalele i-video up until the end. Subscribe, like, comment. Uma ukuthi khona enye futhi i-video eni-request-ayo, make sure ukuthi niyakhomenta. And please guys, road to 5K subscribers, road to 5K subscribers, road to 5K subscribers. So nje let's push, kumele sizame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi market nje fethu akubi ground lethu, So danko, Team Forex Moguls.